Hey everybody, how's it going? Scott from Get Off the Couch Design. I just wanted to give you a little tour of my small shop here. So, I figured we'd start in this corner here. This is my Harvey Ambassador C14 bandsaw. Just got this a few months ago and it has been an absolute game changer. I'll probably get some more blades on it, clean it up, but that's what we got there. Then we have a clamp rack here. It's a Woodpecker's clamp bracket system. Got all my Bessie clamps here. Couple Jorgensen, and then I just have a little area here. I got my roller. I will eventually be getting a wall mount dust collection to be put in that corner there. And then over here we have my janky miter saw set up. I've got my miter saw on this little crappy table that I built a while back. I'm eventually going to upgrade all this whole miter station, but for now this works. Got my vac sander here that's connected to my vac that's connected to my sander that I use all the time. So I connect that to my domino, my sander, my track saw, whatever I can. But moving on to the next section over here, we got my wall control on the wall here with as many tools organized as I can. Then down here is kind of just a junk show. There's just a pile of tools under there. So eventually I want to turn this all into a nice cabinet, get it all cleaned up, but then I have my prized Woodpecker's wall here. Alright, and then moving over to here, we've got a mobile armor tool table that I use. I move this all around the shop. It typically stays over here, but can come anywhere, and I like to bring it out of the shop for projects out there when I can. Got another clamp back on the wall here, cabinet with some storage. Really just trying to figure out how to organize things at this point. Then I have my got my router table here with a whole bunch of bits and everything, but that needs to be all cleaned up too. And here we have our table saw. Got a stack of my Festool tools. Got some wall mounted shop vac with some cleaning tools, but I will probably replace those once I get the wall mounted dust collection. Got my jet table saw here, one of my prized possessions, and that's really it for my small shop that we got here. So the reason I wanted to give this quick little shop tour is just to kind of give a lay of the land of what I got going on in here, as well as get myself motivated to clean this stuff up, because showing this off is not that exciting when it's all dirty. So I'm hoping that over the years through my channel we can build my shop to be a lot nicer, and hopefully someday down the road bigger too. But for now, this is what we're working with, single car garage, and we're gonna make it nice.